How to delete WhatsApp message for everyone after a long time. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do that. First thing first, head over to your WhatsApp chat and then tap on the chat where you want to unsend or delete the message. Now all you have to do here is just long press on the message right here that you want to delete, and up top you'll find the trash icon. Just tap on this and you have multiple options here. If you want this to delete for everyone, you could do that. If you want it to delete just for you, you could do that as well. And if you want to cancel the deletion, you could do that as well. So just tap on delete and then tap on for everyone. Now the message will be deleted, but it will show you the other person that you've deleted a certain message. So you could just long press on it, tap on delete, and then click on delete from everyone. So once that is done, you should be able to delete the message like this. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.